Hi, second and third graders. Today we are going to use what we learned about shading and creating three-dimensional forms with making some fairy houses and castles. You may choose one of the two. All these houses are cylindrical, meaning they're rounded. My example I show you today is going to be um, more of a cube shape. I'm going to make a fairy house for you that is like a tooth for a tooth fairy. I want you to get creative with these and play and have fun. So when you're looking through this slideshow, I want you to look at the details of what the doors look like, what the windows look like, what the materials the houses are made out of, to add some more details with this. I want this to be a very fun project. I want you to be creative and unique with your details. So a lot of the fairy houses are based off of a woodland type creature. So this one's made out of a mushroom. This one's made out of a pine cone. This one has a flower and leaves, a flower top. And I love how the window is in the top of the house here, and also here I love how the window is a tree, and this one super cute writing and even tinier little flowers. Anything you want to do in any way you can be creative will be highly accepted. You could also pick a castle. It can be a realistic looking castle. Notice the details of the castle. The windows are really, really tiny, so that way if people do get across the moat, they could not shoot easily into the windows. It can be more fairy tale looking if you would like. More Cinderella-y if you're into that sort of look. It can be gigantic or it can be tiny. So I want you to pay attention to where the shadows are, where the highlights are, and how it makes those shadows and highlights make them look like they are popping out. Because that is exactly what we are going to try to do in our drawings.